Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on captions accessibility settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now here you will find accessibility. Click on it, and here as you see you will find captions. Click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on captions on accessibility settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.